Message.
I know that's right. You're never ever wrong.
Part 2, I'm gonna be hiding my face and talking. Basically, I'm just gonna say whatever to get a reaction out of that. Don't get to getting in y'all Karen moods. Y'all be people, y'all new, what they call y'all, Gen Z. Y'all be taking stuff so literal. Y'all be acting like Will Smith, like.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth.
I'm going to.
New sensitive motherfuckers, y'all can't do that on this channel because I will give no fucks at all. Go ahead, exit. If you cannot take a joke, why are you watching comedy? Do y'all not know the evolution of comedy? Y'all trying to die it down and shit. We used to all be able to joke about race and everything, but now everybody's so sensitive. Ugh. I'm not your mama. Go cry to your mama. Get off the internet. What?
Hello?
What you looking at, Dusty?
I look better than you?
You wish you did.
What you like?
Excuse me while I do my Tyra Banks.
We got a damn quarter.
Oh my gosh.
She said she feels safe over here. This little shooter's beat.
Y'all peasants is too loud.
You say what?
I said you too loud, redneck.
I'm not a redneck, bro. Come on.
Bro, why you being racist? That shit, bro. First
You
of all,
being racist.
You're not in the camera, so you gotta be ugly as a bitch. You gotta.
You ugly as a bitch. I look like Tyra Banks. Don't play with me.
Hey, Tyra Banks is about to flamenco across the runway.
Go Cruz. Fuck off.
Them big ass teeth. Who you talking to?
What the fuck? Let me see your forehead, bro.
Let me see your bank account.
I can see that forehead. Half the fucking screen right there. And I can't even see your face. How you gonna talk shit and not show your face?
Who's talking? I hope it's not the one in the orange.
I'm in the orange. I'm in the orange.
I can't even see your mouth move. Your lips so damn little.
That's an insult?
Paper cut lip ass.
Come up with better comebacks.
Come with a new set of teeth.
That's not how you rash asshole.
I still don't know who's talking.
I put my whole palm on your forehead and it still wouldn't cover your eyes.
That's all you got?
Fine now. Yeah,
that's all you got?
I can't see your face.
And I can't see your lips. They're non-existent.
That
was fucked.
That's fucked. That's fucked. We were joking around. That's fucked. I hope your dad comes back with the milk just to beat the shit out of you with it.
Thought he ate.
Hey, McDonald's or Wendy's?
Lotion or oil?
I'm gonna go with lotion.
Really?
I'm gonna go with lotion. Yeah, I'm gonna go with lotion.
It don't look like you use either one.
That's cat, nigga. What you mean? You can barely even see me. First of all.
What you looking at?
Where are you from?
Why look like you doing something you ain't got no business, sir?
Okay, I am from Italy.
Alright, don't give a fuck.
What are you doing?
Minding my business.
Okay. And
you don't know what the fuck I'm saying. What?
How old are you?
100 and dog years.
Okay. Why I don't see your face?
You don't have your glasses on.
Okay. And do you want to watch my angel?
Your what?
Do you want to watch my angel?
What is that?
Yes.
What is that, sir?
My angel.
Your android?
My parents. Yes.
No. You want me to call the police? You need to be on the sex offender list. Yeah?
What?
Do you need to be on the sex offender list?
Yes.
I know.
I'm calling the police on you.
What's up, Jay?
You don't know me.
I just said your name, though. I know you.
You don't know me.
You remember when you gave me sloppy toppy?
Don't do it, Mabel.
I done told you, come here.
What is that book with the turtle in it? That's what the hell you look like.
Hey, it's Franklin.
Show your face then.
No.
What's up?
What's up, Dusty?
Nigga, nobody does. That's the first thing.
That room is.
That's not even my room. It's my friend's room.
But it's still dusty.
But I ain't dusty.
He just gonna throw his man on.
Hey.
What you looking at?
The ceiling?
The ceiling?
Nothing? What you doing?
Smoking cigarettes? What's that next to you?
Nothing, I guess. I'm just in the basement.
That looked like a Lion King statue or something.
Too funny. I'm in the basement. Where are you from?
Afghanistan.
Yeah, can I see your face?
No.
Why?
You trying to kidnap me?
No.
You look like one of them.
You're funny.
Who you rolling your neck at?
You.
Don't roll your neck at me.
Why, shorty?
Before I snap the motherfucker in half.
You're funny. I can just your ass.
What?
Nothing. Let me see your face.
No.
Why?
Damn. Please shut up. Where y'all at?
I'm on the side, man.
English?
Yeah. But look what come on, brother.
Have you ever killed the elephant?
Come on, man.
Yes, no, maybe so. I don't know what the fuck he's saying.
You don't want this to know. He's not bulletproof.
I just seen you digging in your nose.
Hello.
Not the naked ass 𝐁𝐥𝐿.
No.
Why that phone jiggling so much? What y'all doing?
Chilling. It's not a phone, it's a computer.
That shit finna blow up or something?
Nah, I'm just rocking a fucking screen. That's...
You see me?
You see your forehead.
You gotta sleep down, right?
What?
Your ears sleep down.
Sleeped?
Sleep. S-L.
You don't know. But y'all, we're gonna go into part 3. I'm probably gonna upload these 2 today and then this next one tomorrow. I'm probably gonna get Instagram skin in this one, so I won't be hiding my face and shit. And there's a lot of people on right now, so I got a quick little video in 15 minutes. Yes, thirsty. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
Nah, I forgot. I'm out this bitch.